Welcome back. You're watching the sixth match in round 3 in TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2021. The scores are Creative Kids Learning Academy on 27 points and Solid Base Prep on 14 points. So now it's time for the final challenge. In this section, questions will be thrown open to both teams, with the first team pressing the buzzer, earning the right to answer after being identified. Teams will earn 2 points for each correct answer, but lose 2 if the answer is incorrect or incomplete. The team pressing the buzzer has 5 seconds to answer. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's see that time on the Guardian new Ultimate Provider clock. Teams, we begin session 3 with international affairs. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the person. Creative Kids.
Sandra Mason. Sandra Mason!
First president of Barbados, correct. Sports. Which English Premier League football club is known as the Gunners? Creative Kids.
Arsenal. Arsenal!
Correct. Bible knowledge. The Beloved was the title. Solid base.
John. John!
Given to which of the disciples of Jesus? Correct. Science. In humans, the thoracic cavity houses which? Creative.
Mouth.
Houses which major organ? Incorrect. It's the lungs or the heart. English language. By using the word corners, give an idiom which means to do something badly or cheaply. Creative.
To cut corners. To cut corners!
Correct. Music. The I-Threes was an... Creative.
Bob Marley and the Wailers. Bob Marley and the Wailers!
Was a name given to the backup vocalist for Bob Marley and the Wailers. 2 of the members were Judy Mowat and Rita Marley, who was the third. It would have been Marcia Griffiths. So that's incorrect. General knowledge. What is the hobby of a numismatist? Creative.
Collector. Of coins.
That is correct. Television. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person. Creative.
Nisha Yen.
Judges? Accepted. Nisha Yen Jones, host of TVJ's Daytime Live. Mathematics. Giving your answer as a fraction reduced to its lowest term, what is the product of 1 3/4 and 2/7? A half. Social studies. 13 degrees north, 59 degrees. Creative Kids.
Bahamas.
West are the coordinates on the map for which Caribbean island? Barbados. Incorrect. Television. On which day of the week does TV's primetime news air its Bite of the Week? Fridays. Sports. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this Jamaican sprinter. Nikel Ashmead. Bible knowledge. In the Bible, on which mountain did Elijah challenge Solid?
Mount Carmel.
And defeat the prophets of Baal? Correct. Science. What is the name of the body section of an insect after the head? Creative Kids.
Thorax. Thorax.
With the legs and wings attached? Correct. English language. Spell the word pirouette, which... Creative Kids.
Pirouette.
Which means the act of spinning one foot, typically with the raised foot touching the knee of the supporting leg, usually in dancing ballet. Incorrect. It's Pirouette. Music. Which musical term describes successive notes of a key or mode, either ascending or descending?
I'm not sure.
The bell came first. It's scale. General knowledge. Good airs or fair winds in the English translation of the capital city of which South American country? Creative Kids.
Buenos Aires.
Argentina, and the city is Buenos Aires, so it's incorrect. We're asking for the country. Local affairs. Who won the Miss Jamaica World title for 2021? Solid base.
Kalia Hall. Kalia Hall.
Kalia Hall, correct. Mathematics. What is the product of 3? And we will not be able to get to that question, as that is the bell signifying the end of today's match. The final scores are Creative Kids Learning Academy on 29 and Solid Base Prep on 20 points. We'll double check those scores and return with the final results right after these messages.